We've officially been back on the road for just over a week, and we've been staying at our friend's place in Phoenix. We're so lucky that they let us park in their backyard with full hookups. And we're just loading up the Jeep and getting ready to go grocery shopping and run our last bit of errands before we head out boondocking for the rest of the winter. And after the grocery store begins the Tetris of the big stock up days. We are like to the brim on groceries. This happens to fit right here, just barely. I don't think we could honestly fit one more thing. Normally our fridge feels big enough, but
we haven't done this in a while. Normal moving.
This is only our second time with our new bed.
It's so much better. One of us can do this now.
Yeah, it used to be a two-person job. You can see how the mattress basically lines up right over the little bench.
Yep, and it
so then be. When the other one comes in, we're good to go. Awesome. Oh, hats. It's literally a custom fit there. Let's stop right here and just talk about our new RV mattress by Brooklyn Bedding.
We've been back in the RV for a few weeks, so we've been sleeping on this mattress every single night for over a month now.
Yeah, so what do you think about the sleep quality?
I'm actually really impressed. It's an inch taller than the mattress we had before.
Yeah.
But it's so much more comfortable. I'm able to sleep on my side or on my back, either one, and I'm able to sleep through the whole night. I don't have aches and pains, where on our last mattress I did a little. But I've loved it, and it fits in the RV spot perfectly.
Yeah, it's comfortable, and I think my sleep quality has gone up. I used to wake up in the night 2 or 3 times, and on this mattress I seem to be sleeping straight through the night. I don't know if it's because we're in the great outdoors again, or if it's because of the mattress, but I am sleeping straight through the night and couldn't be happier. And if you're worried about whether this mattress might be comfortable for you, they do offer a 120-night sleep trial. That's a pretty long time to test it out. We've been in it for a month, and we think we don't need the extra nights to test it out. We're definitely going to keep it. Yeah, we're pretty happy.
Yeah, I mean, Brooklyn Bedding backs RV mattresses with a 10-year warranty. So, I mean, if you have any issues over 10 years...
Yeah, it's a pretty long time for a mattress.
You can reach out and they'll help you out, which is awesome. That gives us a lot of peace of mind about making sure that this mattress will last the rest of the time that we own this thing.
So thank you, RV Mattress by Brooklyn Bedding, for sponsoring. And if you're interested in getting an RV mattress that might fit your space better, ours is a short queen. They do have specific RV sizes. You can get a 20% off with our code. Go to rvmattress.com/perpetual. 2, 3. Can we not bug? Okay.
Okay. Okay.
We haven't been boondocking since May, right?
I think so. June.
June.
Yep.
So we made our first stop here in Phoenix so we could go to the dentist and the doctor and do all of our normal home-based Phoenix stuff. But now we're heading off to the rest of the winter of boondocking. So we're excited to be back at it, be back on solar power.
Yeah, it's going to be a change from the house or the cabin for sure, but excited to be back in the RV. It feels, this is the main home.
Yeah, this is our primary residence.
So, feels good to be back.
Okay. We always vacuum the floor before we bring the slides in, and especially now because we have a brand new floor.
Hardwood floor that we would like to protect. not flood again or scratch or do any of the fun stuff that we did to the previous one.
And this is Maddie's water dish. Whenever it comes time to move, we just leave it with water in it and put the lid on so that it won't spill. You know, when you're boondocking and water conserving, every little drip counts.
Oh man, we're rusty at this.
I know, I used to be able to do it in my sleep. Pretty easy drive day today, just 56 miles, 58 minutes. Mostly just one highway the whole way. Going to an SKP park for dry camping, and it's only $7 a night.
If you remember.
We just pulled in at the North Ranch SKP Park, and they're at lunch, but they were kind enough to leave us our paperwork. So we're just filling out our license plate information. It's kind of weird, we never stay at RV parks. So I'm not used to this, having to show up when they're not at lunch. I didn't even think about it.
It's dry camping, so.
But it's dry camping. We're just gonna go check in a little bit and make sure we've got it all right. We weren't totally sure where to go. But it's a perfectly beautiful sunny Arizona day. I see some citrus trees. We might leave here with some oranges and grapefruit. That would be amazing. Maddie looks like she wants to walk.
Yep, she hates being in the car all day, so.
It was an easy drive though. Good to be back on the road. We just jumped in the Jeep and are headed to go check out a boondocking spot. We have only camped in this area in our camper van, and we can't remember how big rig friendly a couple of the different spots are. This is one of our old haunts. It was, you know, less than 2 hours outside of Phoenix. So when we lived in Phoenix and needed to just get away for the weekend, we'd bring the camper van out here. But yeah, we booked the SKP's park at $7 a night for just a few nights so that we'd have some time to get to know the area and just really figure out if it would be big rig friendly. So it's a great option if you have a big rig and you're going to an area you're unsure about. Just 1 or 2 nights somewhere cheap, even if it's dry camping, can help you get familiar with the area. So that's what we're doing.
Yep.
Going to check out Ghost Town Road, dispersed camping area outside of Congress, Arizona.
So that would.
This is a little bit of a bump,
But we.
like a side-to-side whoop-dee on the
Yeah.
bus.
No dumping.
I mean, this would be fine, like right here. Can we like block if we were to just
Yeah, I mean, like it's,
pull?
yeah, we could like
pull
back in
through.
there or something like that.
I think this is pretty cool. Oh, there's a big A. Not a big one, but
Jayco gasser. It definitely seems like this is ratty.
yeah.
So that's state trust right there.
Ah. But this is
Maybe not. All right, how many mice do we want?
Oh, I want 0 mice. Well, we'll see. We've got a few days until we come out here, so we'll see who's still here.
We
If
need
there's
to
room
see
for
if
us. But
Wickenburg.
this is a bit of a bump.
I know. If I come like that, maybe it's okay.
Okay.
Or does that?